Hey guys, welcome back to me and my brother's channel. Today my brother's gonna be playing Brookhaven on his phone. So let's show them.
And guys, look at me. Okay?
That's not really your actual avatar, bruh.
Bro, then this is my avatar.
I know, he's a bacon.
I made myself to a bacon.
Okay, Andre, stop moving.
Yay!
You can see through that, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Okay, we're actually not gonna just do some Brookhaven's Roblox and stuff. But today, Andre, what are we gonna do today?
We're gonna make a channel from this phone.
From the phone that I gave my brother.
You mean this phone? I can't really do it.
We're not gonna play with your phone.
I know. Shake my butt.
Okay.
Wait, guys. I'm just gonna wait at the.
We're gonna do all of.
Wait.
We're gonna show our rooms. So in here is my room.
Wait, guys.
So I'm gonna unplug this, and then I'll just take this off. I know. That's why we're gonna do our room tour. Oh my god. So here, first up, we have is the TV. A picture of me when I was I don't even know. I'm probably preschool, and then remote on a table, my lamp, my Stanley, my book, and then my 2 trophies from violin. Trophies. And then I have one downstairs.
Bruh.
Washing face stuff, and then hand sanitizer, rosary.
Yeah, my sister had rosary because she loved it.
Never mind. And then a hair clip, another hair clip,
Bruh.
a jewelry, and then a Jesus gold thingy. I forgot, what is it called? And then this is a Jesus keychain, I think that's a Mary keychain.
That's not a Mary keychain, guys.
It's a Mary. And then, what do you call this? A ballerina thing that my grandma gave me. Hair clip, and then Then my big old bed. This is actually bigger than my brother's bed. My tutoring table, my jewelry stuff, and then my pickle patches. So here's my jewelry box, and then here's this.
For scary hat.
Andre, are you ready to? And then here's the closet. Andre, are you ready to do your tour? Oh, and also here is my cabinet.
You mean mine?
For my actual clothes. Andre, we're in my room. And then my school clothes, and then there's more down there. And then now we're gonna go in Andre's room. Andre, are you ready to go in your room?
Yes.
Let's bring my phone just in case anybody calls me. Let's see if okay, let me call me. Now let's open.
My room is kind of messy.
No, it's not. Here, do you want me to open your blinds? Because you really need to open your blinds.
And have a big TV.
And let's open his blinds.
And look at the view outside.
The view is even better than my view because it's in the front door. And honestly, I want this room, but at the same time, I don't because it's small. It's a small room.
Yeah, and my bed is fit.
And his bed
is
very small. It can only fit one person. My bed can fit
200 people.
No, it can't. It can fit probably 18 babies.
Bro, that's 200,000 million.
And then his big old TV, even bigger than mine. His closet.
But there's nothing in there.
His stuff for his clothes.
Yeah, bye.
Andre, come back.
No.
And then chair, and then all the stuff. And that's all I'm gonna show because my brother is being a care baby. And
I know where you can sleep. You
No, you're gonna sleep on the floor, or you can sleep on your own bed because you don't even sleep. You don't even sleep in your own bed.
Yeah, because you're ugly.
Excuse me.
That's what you get.
Andre, are you actually serious?
I'm just kidding.
Okay, good. Thank you for calling me unugly. Owie. So,
My cute shit.
my school just has started, so yeah.
It's
And
more cards. I told
we're gonna
her
show
to-
you. So this is like.
Get my card.
Can you be quiet?
No.
We didn't move, but we never like showed our bedroom to you guys, so we're showing it now.
Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me.
We're gonna also show you my bathroom. My bathroom. Also Andre's, but he doesn't really use it, so let's go. Yeah. Alexa, stop! Here's a Alexa, stop! Andre, stop saying that. Alexa, stop! And then here is the black towel. Oh my god. A black towel for washing my hand, and also sometimes I would wash my face. My very beautiful towel. Okay, I think I have 2 towels now. Here's my sink. This one works, this one doesn't. And then here's my stuff. What do you call this? What do you call this? Soap. Mouthwash. Toothbrush. Where's my toothpaste? Toothbrush, toothpaste. Hair comb, and then a hair backer. So yeah. Now I'm gonna close the door. And my brother just got a new TV, so yay. Get off my bed.
No.
And that's all it for today. See you all next time. Bye-bye. Andre, say bye-bye to them.
Bye. Wait, and shake your butt, shake your butt.
And then Mario will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
And we'll see you in our next video. Right, Andre?
Yep. Tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.